Hey, what's going on? It's Mario the Juiced. Welcome back to a new one. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment, like, and share. This episode is also sponsored by Course Careers, which is a online tech school helping individuals land jobs in the tech space, earning between $50,000 to $100,000 plus per year, working a tech job such as software development, IT support technician. That's what I'm doing right now. Data analytics. There's even courses on, I want to say UX UI designing, lots of different courses. But yeah, if you're interested in landing a tech job, definitely check out Course Careers for more information. The link is down below for your convenience, and let's talk. So if you've been following this channel for a while, since 2022, you are aware that I've been trying to, not trying to, but I have transitioned from logistics to the tech space. My first interest was IT support technician, and then I had interest in software development. I did revert back to IT support, so that's what I'm doing right now as we speak. If you hear some noise that's in the background, there's some people talking, so please excuse that. But yeah, I do want to talk about my experience right now working in the tech space as a IT support specialist or technician, same thing basically. And so my experience right now is basically I, um, I very much understand why it's really important to have soft skills. I spoke about this many times before as well, but I see why it's really important to have soft skills and to also network, because that's literally what I've been dealing with since I've been working in the tech space, is being able to work with others. And that means working in teams or working with clients or in the end users. It's just an everyday thing that you will very much deal with, which is people or just customers or clients, end users. That's really your job role, or that's what the job entails very much, assisting others. So if you're into that, if you're into customer service or support, if you're a fan of helping people or troubleshooting, problem solving, then IT is definitely your cup of tea. As it is for me, if that makes any sense. I enjoy customer service. I enjoy assisting people, assisting others with problems, or just share my experience just to kind of help. And I think what I'm doing right now with this YouTube channel is also customer service or assisting the end user, which is you, with sharing information, which is, sharing information about my experience working in the tech space currently. So that's what's going on right now. I work with teams where I'm at right now. I work with just a group of people trying to solve issues. We are giving a task by our higher ups, so our managers and supervisors, and also our IT leads, gives us a task, and we must go and just accomplish that goal by any means necessary. Working in groups, basically. So back to soft skills, because I understand the importance of having soft skills. I'm able to work with my team and get things done, not just quickly, but accurately. And we get things done because we have a bond amongst each other. We very much get along, and that's just a big deal. If it's the opposite, then it's going to just cause a lot of problems. Tasks are not being completed. You don't want that. So soft skills, soft skills, soft skills, and network your butt off. That's really what you will be doing at all times. In terms of networking, because I'm over there, I'm meeting different people, meeting different higher ups, and I'm getting their contact information. If I decided to, leave my current role for something else, I have their contact info, and I can use them as a reference for my next employment. It makes sense. So again, that's what I'm been dealing with right now, and that's something I've been that Course Careers and also boot camp, coding boot camp, taught me that you will be working with people, and it's best to have clear speech. You're able to be concise and just get to the point, and being able to talk slowly and clearly for others to understand. That's going to be your job, and that's something that Course Careers and also Coding Bootcamp got me prepped for, and that's exactly what I'm experiencing right now after leaving Course Careers, graduating, and also leaving coding boot camp. You will work in teams. If not, you will be working with people. You will have to converse with people all the time, assisting and just troubleshooting, fixing their problems. That's going to be your job mainly in IT. Even cybersecurity, I'm sure it's the same thing in terms of just assisting people and fixing problems. Basically, that's what I expect when it comes to that type of job role. You're going to fix problems and troubleshoot, but it is what it is. But again, that's my experience right now working in IT. Is yeah, man, it does get a little techie every now and then. You will be giving a task to fix something. Maybe something's not connecting. It could be a VPN connection. It could be a slow computer. It could be someone needs to reset their password. Just list of problems, right? And a lot of time it gets really, really techie, or I guess the issue could be a little more severe in terms of, for example, a printer is not, the IP address isn't working. So it could be something with the DHCP. It could be faulty cables, maybe resetting it or turning on the device can help. Just different problems, man. So that's something I'm also experiencing as well. One of the most common issues we have, or for my job role right now, is VPN connection. Sometimes the VPN is just not connecting, and we're giving a work phone, and with that work phone, there's an app where we use to push the VPN to connect to the network, if that makes any sense. So you type in your password, username, enter, and it's asking for some kind of a push from a mobile device, which is the work phone. You hit that link and it basically connects the VPN to the network. A lot of time it just kicks out the person or the user, the VPN, and we have to go back in there and kind of just set everything up again, re-enter the passwords, connect by pushing the app by connecting the app to the actual VPN, and that works. That's a common issue. Another common issue is reset password. Sometimes after I'm done working with my team, some of us would be given a task to assist with help desk. So I'm taking phone calls. A lot of phone calls are something to do with reset passwords. So using Active Directory, which is something that's taught in course careers very much. They have labs where they're teaching you how to set up Active Directory, which is awesome. So really what you're doing is you're working with Azure. This is with course careers. You're working with Azure where you're creating a VN, a virtual machine, or virtual machines, and you're able to access each machine, right? And one of them are going to be installed with Active Directory. I want to say PowerShell and Wireshark also. So all that is being installed on one VM, and you're basically trying to manage users on the Active Directory, and also helping to reset passwords. That's a lab in course careers that you're going to do, which is amazing because it really gets your brain around what's going on. It's hands-on, which is to me the best way to learn. More hands-on, less talking. Awesome. But that's what I was doing that's what I'm doing right now in my current role. Maybe not using Azure, but using Active Directory. And just also I've seen people use ping, ipconfig. I haven't got a chance to use it myself yet, but I am aware on what that stuff is and what it does and what's the purpose for it. So I did get a chance to see certain people use that, which is amazing. But yeah, man, like I said before, it's I love sharing my experience. I love helping people. I guess get an idea on what's going on or what to expect once you leave course careers or some type of education institution. I'm just ready to assist. I love helping others, and I'm just glad I'm able to experience what I'm experiencing right now in terms of my current role. And I'm happy to just share real life, actual reality IT work in the real world. And I'm hoping this video or other videos on this channel is valuable to you. You benefit from it very much. And believe it or not, I get job offers all the time. I turn them down. I may be looking at one that seems to be of interest, but I will discuss that later. But I'm getting not job offers, excuse me, but like, people contacting me about work, from recruiters, HR people. It's amazing. It's because of where I currently work, and that does get their attention that I'm working in a government office, and it must be a very serious job. Obviously, something to do with the voting or election nights. So you're basically being trusted. If you or you seem more like a trustworthy person since you're working with a government a government office such as the voting office, which is very private and serious. It's a very serious job to have since you're working with the government and security, and make sure people are getting their votes heard. That makes any sense. So everything has to work. All the systems have to be perfect. But hope this video helps. Like I said before, I'm excited about the future, and yeah, I think course careers, and my experience at Coding Bootcamp really helped me, or just prepped me for the real, like the real actual job, or just this field alone, right? Like the real world. So if you're interested, again, more information about course careers down below, and we're all set. Much love to you. Have a wonderful day. Catch you next video. Peace out.